Eric Energy back in our Eric Energy studios. We're having a happy Halloween, so we're doing yet another Halloween science experiment. We're going to create a village, except this village is not going to be an above ground village. This is an underwater village, and the people in the underwater village have something to be scared about. Watch this. We are going to use 3 ingredients for this experiment. It's going to be a big plate. We're going to have a little bit of black pepper. We've got some water, and we've got a little dish soap with a Q-tip. All we have to do is take the water, pour it into the plate. Then we're going to add the people into our underwater village. All of a sudden, look at all those people just kind of hanging out there, except now we're going to add an underwater monster, a kraken, if you will. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. 1, 2, 3. Ow! As you can see, all of the people ran away from that underwater monster. Why? Because the water creates a whole bunch of surface tension. And the black pepper is hydrophobic, meaning it's afraid of water. That's why it's floating on top of the water. When the soap enters the water, it breaks that surface tension, and all of the particles are forced away from it, just like they're forced away on your hands when you wash your hands with soap. Ladies and gentlemen, happy Halloween.